Hello guys! Nako, it's been a long time, Blake, na magre-react tayo.
Sabi nga ng 21, it's been a long time
I'm
coming, but
coming.
we're here now.
And speaking of 21, do you remember the first time? Did you remember na kung paano nagsimula ang 21? Paano sila ni-launch? Ni-launch sila alongside Big Bang. So, medyo
Well,
nagkameron sila, parang natag sila as
you,
the girl version ng Big Bang. Pero,
did
Diyos
you watch
ko,
them sa launch nila with Big Bang? Kasi ako yung
yes,
late ako eh. Sa ano ako dumating, sa Fire. Well,
fire.
that was their first solo naman. So, yun. Yun
Ako
yung
naman,
launch ko talaga.
ang ako naman best, yung launch na napanood ko sa kanila kasi nagfa-follow na ako sa Big Bang before. Yung Lollipop, Lolly, Lolly, parang it's a commercial ng
Mm,
LG phone. Ewan ko kung
mm.
nakakaalala ng ibang mga Gen Z, pero may LG phone noon, Lollipop. So, yun yung first nila. And ito, Blake ha, sa totoo lang, noon, parang ang dating, ay, parang 21 will ride the coattails of Big Bang. Parang
True.
makikiride sila. Pero Diyos ko, nung nilabas nila yung Fire, parang wala na kaagad, hindi na sila kaagad na associate sa Big Bang rather than ka-label nila or
I mean,
ka-management
how would you
nila.
associate them? They're like so super kaiba talaga. Yun lang yun. Well, speaking of girl groups, we're now here.
We're now here to react. Ito pinangako natin to Blake sa mga viewers natin. And somehow may mga nag-intriga pa nga sa atin, no? Before
True. Shout
about
out.
this. Pero basically, we just really wanted a fair shot for everyone and at the same time, gusto lang talaga nating antayin before we pass any judgment, rather positive or negative. But they are here now at
Yes, and I'm excited
nakakaloka.
kasi we first saw them last wakas at simula, the concert. That was such a good debut. So parang I'm kind of expecting like a good debut, but not too much since this is their debut. I don't really
Mm-mm.
want to put them in a solo. Though, I mean, hindi natin maaalis, but them as a group, I want them um I want them like honestly na magkaroon ng own identity rather than something na tied up sa group din ng another coming from their coming from their company or management. So hopefully kaya ito we're reacting to the first MV of Sonara. Actually, I'm quite curious. Can you like tell us where did have has it been answered? Where does Sonara come from? Kasi I'm still curious as to why the name is Sonara. I don't know if that's like concept or galing ba siya sa ibang word. So yeah, I'm quite
Correct.
curious pa din.
Correct. So parang, pero before anything else, I just would
Sorry,
like to point, yes.
meron na palang explanation.
Mm.
It's an ode to the Nara, our country's national tree.
Uy, mahal yan ah. Social ang Nara wood. Charot.
Oh, so where
Diba?
does sonar, yung sound nila, Sora as in tandang Sora, Nara as in national tree, and X represents everyone. Ooh, if this is true,
Woo!
I mean, nakita ko kasi sa reply ng tweets. That's an interesting take.
That's really an interesting at pinag-isipan talaga. Pero alam mo, just an initial reaction sa nakikinig natin sa Sonara, I like that hindi pa sila nagde-debut but may usapin na kung sino yung bias mo, sino bias wrecker mo. Parang may identity na kaagad sila. So I'm very, very excited din na ma-explore ang Sonara. But let's begin,
True.
of course. We need something to start off. So, ito na yung MV nila. So, just like any other reminders, guys, hindi namin sila kilala individually pa, lahat.
Yeah,
And
tawag ko pa nga dun sa leader nila is si Short Hair.
yes, tama. Yun yung parang initial nating bias based dun sa concert. So,
Yes. And ang bias
mm,
wrecker ko is yung kapwa Bisaya ko. Pero actually, parang may nagsabi, dalawa daw yung Bisaya. So, not really sure how this is gonna go pa. But yeah, let's react.
yeah, here it is.
Uy, baka medyo sumabay-sabay ako ha, kasi na medyo na LSS ako nung 'pag pinapanood ko yung video ni Kielski, eh.
Okay, okay. So you watch the the
Yung
performance nila sa
performance
Espalda.
videos, yung dun sa Wakas at Simula tapos
Yeah,
meron
oo.
pa dumaan kasi sa feed ko tapos parang medyo na-e-LSS ako minsan so parang medyo low-key medyo kabisado ka ng kanta, but it's my first time watching the MV.
Okay, me too. May-
Wait!
Nagkamera ka
Gumagamit
ba
na ba ang
niyan?
mga kabataan nito?
Nakabili ka ba niyan?
Hindi.
Hindi din ako. That is the
Hindi.
iPod. It's not the i
Yes.
Oo, may panahon po na hindi nahiwalay ang iPod.
Hiwalay ang
Hindi siya
music sa cellphone.
cellphone, opo. So, it's a music device. My God. So, Diyos
It's a
ko.
good nod to like music kasi like it's definitely associated kasi music ang talagang primary goal niyan. But are there still iPods
May
nowadays?
enthusiast, Blake. May mga enthusiast pa din sa ganito na kinikip pa rin nila
Oh,
yan. And medyo tumataas yung value ha. Parang collector's item na siya eh.
talaga?
Kaloko. Pero napakahirap niyang ilagay sa iTunes. Kailangan, tapos syempre illegal yung ilalagay mo. Naka-iPad ka nga, illegal naman yung mga songs. Charot.
True.
Let's watch. Tare, what drink is that?
Very faint.
Oh,
Ooh. Wow, there's a nod to Greek. Ngayon pa lang sinearch yung ano lyrics niya. There's a nod pala to a Greek something. Yung Sisyphean role. Okay.
oh. Ako naman, parang, first look, parang I like na may scene or parang may sequence na kinukunan using an old video camera. So is this a throwback video? Kasi may iPod. And then may footage na nakita ako parang ano yan, low resolution footage na parang kinuha ng video cam. Ganon. And interesting din itong chess pieces. Parang may Philippine
Is
flag.
this chess?
Ano?
Is this chess?
Parang basta board game. Kung anong board game man yan.
Oh,
Oy!
sorry. Girl
Sorry!
got face card. Girl got face card. And
Alam mo,
she's not afraid to show her face card.
alam mo, ngayon, hindi naman sa inaano ko, pero sobrang, ano lang, sobrang bright lang na nakaisip nito na if you tripped, make it lit.
Alam
Parang
mo
may
na,
recap, anen.
alam mo na next time pag nag-split ako death drop.
Correct. Kasi sometimes talaga yung mga gantong step back, nagiging siyang advantageous sa iyo. Katulad ni Miriam Kiambao, hindi naman siya napapansin before, pero nag-trip si Madam, pasok agad sa top 10, di ba? At nag-first runner-up
True.
pa nga. Pak, face card.
Girl,
Sandali.
the phone. The
Sorry po.
phone.
Sorry napaghahalataan ng mga edad, pero nagkameron ako ng blueberry na
I had the
China. Charot.
blueberry din. This is a
Oo.
3310. This is a 5310 ata. Ito yung may antena. Yan ang first phone ko.
Yes, nagkameron ako ng 5310, then
Ito ang hindi ako
3310.
nagkaroon, yung fully ang Nokia na yan, eh, yung may music button sa gilid.
Oo.
White. That's
Okay.
very good.
Oo. Yan yung may MP3 player. Yan yung may
Yes.
MP3 player, yes. Oo.
I'm quite
Diyos
curious, Matt. Why are there old like symbols here? Are they reminding their fans, their future fans, na you're old?
pero I'm very curious as well. Kasi millennial ba yung Sonara? I mean, I haven't seen pa yung
Yung mga yan for sure, like for sure.
okay, Pero sige, panoorin natin and then let's try to ano, find out bakit parang pang-millennial yung target dito. O see, naha
Naghawig kay Mika, si Mika yung big winner ng PBB.
kamukha niya?
May resemblance lang pero hindi like full.
Mm. Woo! That's a nice transition in fairness.
Ito talaga ang face card though. And body. Girl, that
True.
curve.
And the big curlers. Wait, may kumukuha.
Hoy, si ano to initial bias.
Correct, correct.
Ayaw pataka. Dapat pang rapping. Kahit babae ka, hindi ka dapat nagme-mellow ng rap. When there needs to be like yung mga ang tawag doon growls and everything, girl, you give that is like yun, you give what is needed. Hindi pwedeng dahil babae ka kailangan minimal lang ang rap. Oh my god, I like this girl. She gave us everything and beyond sa rapping. Like, girl, you go girl.
I like the edgy feels ng Sonara, no? They're very cute for me, but may edginess. 'Di ba? There is parang may precision at may sharpness. At saka may
True.
rap. My God, I love it.
Nausokan man isang busan lang yan sa ito pagsugalan hindi ko susukuan di kailanman mawawalan tibok ang ari-ari at tinuturing ko na yaman.
Mm. In fairness, I'm loving the bridge. I'm loving the bridge.
Meron talaga silang own elements.
Actually, the bridge reminds me of parang the early 2000 pop songs. Parang may mga ganun.
Okay. Yeah, it's giving 2000 Britney Spears.
Oo, yung biglang
Ganito yung mga
after
suotan ni Britney Spears eh. Like, oh my God, they must probably heard that Britney's my mom. Charot lang.
Oh,
Pero
correct.
girl, this is giving like yung ibang suot just in another color. It's giving like MTV Justin Bieber and Britney performance yung jeans. Tapos some
Yes,
of it is like
oo.
very nod to the toxic ni Britney Spears yung hawak niyang ass. Oh my God, you're so totally on point nung nakuha mo. Oh my God. Now
Yeah.
I'm kind of getting the vibe. Is this what they want to introduce to us? That that yung parang a nod to 2000s pop?
Actually, the whole music video, even their outfit is very Y2K. That's
It
why I
is.
asked whether medyo grungy Y2K aesthetics na parang
Yeah.
if maaalala mo yung eto Blake is yung kapanahunan natin na makikita lang natin mga aesthetic ng artist sa magazine pag bibili tayo or
Even
kailangan
pag-attend ng
matsempuhan natin
ano,
sa
even
MTV.
pag-attend ng red carpet ball, ganyan lang ang suot. 'Di ba?
Correct. Mm.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, kamukha nga siya ni Mika Salamanca. Kakaloka.
May hawig kay Miga.
Mm.
Girl,
Taray!
and this window.
And this window is like XP. Windows XP. Charis.
Windows or Microsoft 2008.
Oo, mga
It's
ganong
giving those
era.
windows.
Correct,
Kasi,
correct.
kind
Mm.
of getting it.
And just to mention 'no, parang the campus or dun sa venue kung saan sila nag-perform, yung mga brickstone walls, it reminds me of parang Meteor Garden, gano'n. Yung mga campus-campus drama, romance, kakaloka.
Move tabi-tabi, move tabi-tabi.
Uy, oh my God. Ang sarap nun. Ay, sorry, ang sarap. That voice, yung move, tabi-tabi, move, oh my God. Girl, lalo ko na siyang nagugustuhan ngayon. Yung lalim ng boses na yun. Oh my
Exactly,
God.
oo. Pero ito ang very Y2K aesthetic. The music video, the dancing in the rain.
You know what this reminds me of? It's giving very overprotected Dark Child remix and stronger ni Britney. Oh my
Britney Spears,
God.
correct. Parang ito yung Dream Within a Dream tour ni Mother Britney at nakakaloka si Britney do'n.
It's like, I don't
Nanginginig
know
pa
if you
siya sa
remember,
tubig.
Dirty by Christina Aguilera. Like
Oo.
yung talagang ganun-ganun siya. Tapos, God, I'm getting it now. Kasi kanina parang sabi ko, where are they headed with this? Actually, ito, what they're wearing is like very Y2K, but very much sinusuot na rin nowadays. So parang sabi ko, ano, are they trying to merge two worlds? Are they trying? Pero now I'm getting it. Like, oh my God, Sonara, thank you.
Correct, correct. Parang ano, is this a nod to us? Batang
Yes! Batang 2000.
correct.
So raw, we been making out.
Oh, shoot. Just just info 'no, nabasa ko Blake kanina that Justin and Ken
Ken,
parang are both
sabi
credited
ko with
as
their styling niya.
stylists, ano parang ano sila, um, hindi not necessarily stylist pero consultant, styling consultant sila. So now, mga kaedaran natin 'tong mga 'to, so more likely talaga they have knowledge sa Y2K aesthetics. So, ooh,
I like it.
true.
And this graffiti wall, it's giving very that.
Mm,
It's giving very, oh my God, I love this girls na.
correct.
Oh my God, ang galing sa ano, no, sa concept.
Oo, correct. Nakakaloka.
Galing.
Okay,
In
initial
fairness, ang
reaction,
galing.
Bes.
In fairness, ang galing. Natutuwa ako sa mga babaeng 'to, sa mga Villacia na it is. Kasi nakakatuwa sila in the sense na this is their first MV. Honestly it's a good MV and finally I can say that Fresh Crew, ano yun? Ano yung sabi nila? Fresh Crew, yeah, we're setting up the pace. So like it's a good thing na as an intro, they're like, paving their way for their own for themselves. So that's a very good start kasi a little bit kanina I was a little bit, sabi ko, parang disjointed yung mga concepts nila. And then, it was then that when we were diving into the details of the MV, yung mga small details, parang sabi ko, wait, alam ko na kung anong sense nito.
Correct.
Tapos, up until, but other than that, this feels very good. The choreography is very crisp, super sharp nung moves nila. So, yun yung nakakatuwa. Tapos, nag-match yung theme nila with what they're wearing. So that's very streetwear. Streetwear, not the 2000s. Siguro sa mga bagets ngayon, you may not know, but this is how we were doing. Like, alam mo yon, papakita namin. Kumbaga yung mga ano ngayon, nagpapakita ng chan, ano yan eh, very Y2K yan. Your mom had this
Very
dress, that's
Britney
very
na naka-jeans.
Y2K.
Britney na
Tapos,
naka-jeans.
yung kumbaga, ang bilis nung pace, it really matched their song. And parang nabibigyan na sila ng individuality. If I had just one comment, that would be medyo out of place yung maganda. yung maganda sinabi ko kanina, maganda yung curves ng katawan niya. When she was looking at the mirror, I mean, that's typical back. I saw it in Drag Race live eh, yung nagsiset up sila sa back. Kasi parang very grit, tapos pumunta siya sa contrast. Actually, it's okay to go to the contrast ng yung very soft. It's just that hindi kasi nag-match for me yung specific scene lang na yun sa mirror. Parang if they wanted to go mellow, I would recommend na something still in theme, but a more as a softer grit na lang, parang to say the least. Parang
Yeah.
feeling ko super, they took it far edge lang. But other than that, this is a very good debut.
Yeah. Actually, ito lang gusto kong sabihin, no. Sometimes if it's a debut MV or single, parang you see girls or boy groups na parang please support us. Parang ganun yung dating, this is us. Sa kanila parang professional na sila eh. Parang they're made up already. Parang they know what they want. They know what to showcase to us. It doesn't feel like it's a beginner track, to be sure. And it sounds like they already know exactly who they are at this point. Can you just imagine, ito yung simula nila. It's a pressure, yes. Pero I am more of looking forward kung paano sila magka-comeback sa second album nila or sa third album nila because this is actually strong. Now, strategically, I would prefer, kung ako lang naman ang management, na well, let's start soft and then let's go hard the second MV para lang may momentum, may pataas. This one, I still feel na strong siya, pero nararamdaman ko may mas ibubuga pa rin. So yun yung
Yeah.
nakakatuwa, di ba? Parang
Hindi nila
balance
tinuro
lang siya.
sa isang MV kasi they probably know na parang it's better na ibala to sa mga susunod. Kasi a lot of P-pop groups have actually done that. Yung mga nag-debut, they had very strong MVs,
Strong
but hindi
MV,
sila sustain eh. So
correct.
at least, you know, the company they're coming from, they will sustain them definitely. And you know na parang may ilulook forward ka pa sa group na to. Other than that, it's a very good start. Congrats, Sonara. I love your debut song.
Yeah, and ito lang ang gusto ko sa group na 'to 'no, even before the MV, may discussions na kaagad online, may anticipation na kaagad, and nakakaloka kasi when they performed sa Escolta yesterday, I've seen a lot of news articles na parang, "Hala, eto na kaagad, debut pa lang ganito na kabigat." So, ako, I'm very excited with kung ano pa yung i-o-offer nila. They're very strong pagdating sa debut nila. And ako, ewan ko lang ha, pero alam mo Blake yung ano, yung naparamdam sa akin ng music video at saka ng music nila is that they are really unafraid to reference. At this music video, they're not afraid to reference an era. Kasi
The
Y2K is
2000s,
somehow,
the Y2K was definitely an era.
it was definitely an era of the pop, actually the pop girls.
Yes.
Namayagpag din ng
Spice
mga pop
Girls.
queens. Oo. So parang I don't know, nakaka-ano lang, medyo kinikilabutan lang ako na isipin na baka mamaya they will, ito lang ha, ito lang naman, eh, hindi naman 'to prediction, pero baka mamaya sa first era nila, they will dwell into the Y2K, 2010 visual, and then sa third album nila baka 2020 visual. I don't know. There's a possibility or baka pa backward, Blake. Baka
Mali.
ngayon Y2K, baka 90s ang susunod. Napakagandang anong ito, ma-dwell into.
And
Pero
I will very much look forward to the 20s kasi like I love the 1920s. Di pa ako buhay noon, but yung mga concept nila, it feels very regal sa 1920s. But other than that, girl, I love Sonara kasi like you're not afraid to like show off. I
oo.
love it.
Pero Blake, I think ito last na lang 'no. Ayaw na namin pahabain, baka wala na kaming masabi sa susunod pa. Pero ito yung common I think now it's a misconception and assumption ng iba na, naku, parang this will be a group that will be very similar to their brother group which yung SB19 na parang baka mamaya they may sound alike, mga gano'n. Pero ito may sarili silang identity, guys, ladies and gentlemen.
And they wrote this song. So I think
Yes,
this is a
oo.
group collaboration. Siguro if just to end this video, I guess, congratulations, number one, Sonari. It's a very, very good debut, and I hope you do not feel pressured that other people would compare you because, girl, you're trying to develop your own identity, and that's very, very good. So, praying ako na wag kayong matakot na maging behind the shadows because clearly with this MV, you're really paving your way. It's not wrong to ask for help, but the best thing is you formulate your own vision through their help. Yeah. I guess
Correct. And
that's
do,
it.
yeah, do not be pressured because you're under onesie. May expectation talaga to do well and to do great and to take advantage dun sa wisdom and advice ng SB19. But carve your own path and future.
Doing
Di
so.
ba?
They're rightfully doing so. And we can't wait to see more of you in the coming times. But anyways, that's our reaction video to Tabi by Sonari. Can't wait to
Yes.
see more. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm your Sugar
Mm.
Spice and sometimes Nice. My name is Blake.
And before I say goodbye, gusto ko lang i-inform na this is not a more likely not a monetized video, but you can support us by buying us a coffee at Buy Me a Coffee. And you can also send us via GCash and PayPal. Nasa video description below na lahat. So thank you so much. This is Kuya Matt. Bye!
Bye.